Let's take a look at assignment 1. All right, so here is assignment 1, the coding environment. Just has one exercise. We're going to create a very simple implementation of a vending machine. This will be part of a cascading series of exercises building on one another. So the first one is really very little more than hello world plus an input statement. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new Visual Studio solution and put a project in it. Now, if you like, you can just create a project and have the solution built around that. Either way is fine. So your new project is going to be a console application. We're going to create, as I said, a simulation of a vending machine. So we'll start off basically by just having a few lines of code in main that solicits user input and gives a small response. So this is the output of a theoretical run of that particular program. You'll notice that the 55 here is bold. What that means is that that's user inputs. In other words, as the program runs, it asks for something and the user types something in. And so you'll notice that 35 was asked for and 55 was actually entered. So we're not even checking to make sure that that's a proper value. We're just saying what was inserted. So in order to do this assignment, you'll need the console class. So there are three methods that you will probably want to use. Write, that will write out information to the screen without inserting a character tree line feed. So this is good for entering prompts. Console.WriteLine, which writes a whole line with a character tree line feed. And lastly, console.ReadLine. And notice that readLine actually returns a string, not a number. So anything going to the console application or coming back from it is going to be in the form of a string, even if it looks like a number, and we will need to convert it to make it numbers. And we'll talk about doing that in the next lesson. So that's assignment 1.